The Valor Awards recognize the individuals who go above and beyond what their normal everyday job responsibilities are, and it's a way that the community is able to see those folks that I call heroes that make the efforts and, again, put their lives at risk.
If you were to call them heroes, they would deny it. They are strong yet humble, wanting only to protect their families and our communities. When things are at their worst, our first responders are at their best.
Fairfax County is blessed to have a public safety system that continually ranks among the best in the nation. We know, however, that these high marks don't come without sacrifice. We will hear and honor accounts of that sacrifice today.
Colors! Hold!
The relevance is huge, and what it allows is for our residents in the community to have an awareness of what our public safety professionals do, aside from maybe write tickets or put fires out or lock folks up. So it gives that humane perspective that these folks just do this because that's what they feel the need is to make something better than what it was before they found it.